All right, so now you see front is really completely peeled apart. So now I'm gonna start to move to the back side and get kind of the extra lights and racks and probably maybe the fender and stuff off of the back. Because before I pull the front end, I want to get some weight off back here so this thing doesn't go boop and tip on me. So yeah. So here we go. Check back in because I know it's been a lot of time lapse. So I'm trying to get the harness cut back so I can pull it back towards the middle and away from either end. I got the back end all stripped off. So now I'm just trying to cut through some of these clips and things. Just trying to get stuff unhooked and keep on moving back. So I just want to make sure I can kind of keep it together. And just slowly work it back. I'm not sure what that is. You hear my wife inside laughing because her laugh is really loud, but I love her. So. I think this is just a, hook that's holding that. So you got the coils in there. So undoing all the spark plug wires. So let's see here. I'm gonna figure this out and then come back. Alright, I think I'm gonna call this one here. As you can see, we got a lot done today. So basically got the whole front end stripped down to just kind of the bare stuff. Took all the wiring harness, moved it back here, so I got the coils off. The ignition I think is still hooked up somewhere because it was heavy and I didn't want to deal with it. Oh, the plug, no, it's right there because it's just, these plugs are really dry and so I want to not try not to break it. Got the back stripped off, got the fender off, all the lights and everything, so making a lot of progress. So here she is, all tearing down. So thanks for tuning in. So stay tuned for the next part of the teardown, where hopefully we'll start to even get some bigger stuff out of the way, like the wheels, and then basically I just want so the engine's left and the frame, and then we can take the engine out and keep on moving. So thanks for tuning in. This FW Garage.